Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to install and use the Viral-like generator. Now to begin with, I'm just going to do the basic version in this video, and then I'll show you how to install and use the upgrade that gives Twitter functionality. I'll show you how to use that in another video. Okay, so first things first, we'll install the plugin. So I'm in my admin screen here in WordPress. You want to make sure that you're updated, so you're fully updated. WordPress is its newest version. Then go to plugins and we'll add new, upload, browse, and just browse for this Viral-like generator.zip file that you should have downloaded from the members site. So we'll click this, install, activate the plugin, and there we have it. The Viral-like generator has installed. Okay guys, so that's the plugin installed. So now I'll take you through how to set up a page using the plugin step by step. So I'll add a new page and I'll just call it test page. And first things first, I'll go through these settings. So I want to attract likes to a fan page I've set up, fan page on Facebook, and I want to attract, I don't know, 30 likes to new page. So I'll set this total to be 30. Now this means that the page that I'm going to specify here has to be liked 30 times before this content, whatever I put in here, is unlocked. So I'm going to use a fan page, so I'll say fan page. Incidentally, if you wanted to just use the URL that this button's going to appear on, just use the current post or page URL. You can just use default, or custom, you can define any URL that isn't a fan page or Facebook page. So if you wanted, you could just type Google or something in there that isn't a Facebook page. But in this instance, I'm going to use a fan page that I've just set up. So I will type my fan page URL. Here it is. And because it's a fan page, I also have to include the fan page ID. Now, it's really easy to find that. Just go to this site, findmyfacebookid.com. So type my URL in here, look up my ID, type it in here. This information is all in the manual, by the way. You can find a link to that site in the manual. And now choose button alignment. So this is just the alignment of the Facebook button, whether it's left aligned, center aligned, right aligned. I'll just leave it left aligned in this example. Now the viral encouragement message. Now this is the message that's going to appear when somebody likes this URL, but the target hasn't been reached. And it's really there just to encourage your visitors to message other people to like this page too until this total is reached. So I'll just type a basic message in here. I'll say message your friends until we hit 30 likes. However, you can also, I'll just open up the manual to get the shortcode. So you can use this index here to quickly find which shortcode you want to use. And there are 6 different viral banners that can be used in this box. So instead of this message, I could just type that, and as you'll see, that will display a pre-made banner with a pre-made message. So we'll use viral banner 1. There's viral banner 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 that you can also use. And in this locked content, again, you can put anything you want here. You could put an image, a link, videos, but I'll just put, just put a sentence saying locked content. Okay, so that's all our settings done. Now we need to construct the post or the page in this example. So I'll just say, like my Facebook page 30 times. Oh, hang on, what would be better would be, once my Facebook page has been liked 30 times, I will unlock some cool content. And now I'll place my Facebook like button. So again, it's a short code. Just look up in the index here to get it. So we will add Facebook like, and I'm going to use the countdown in this as well as a shortcut that basically counts down how many more likes are remaining until the unlock occurs. So I'll use the likes left shortcode. So I'll say likes left. So however many likes left. Until unlock, and you can format these in any way you want. So I could center that, bold it. I know some of you have got more advanced options with different plugins for editing your post content, and you should be able to use any of them. Sorry. One thing is with the Facebook like button, you will have to align it using this option here rather than doing this. Just because of the way Facebook produces their like buttons, you have to do it that way. And finally, I will just place my locked content. So I'll just to show you, you can also, you can do whatever you want with this. So I'll just center it. You can format anything you want in here. So just as it appears here is how it will appear in this locked content shortcode. So I've got this set up, so I'll publish it and you can take a look at how this looks. So this is the test page that I've just published here. This is what it looks like. And you can see I've got the page title, and then there's my introductory sentence. Once my Facebook page has been liked 30 times, I will unlock some cool content. And this is the Facebook like button, and that just corresponds to this. And this number here, 12, corresponds to likes left, so means that my page has got 12 more likes. There's 12 more, needs 12 more likes until I hit this target of 30. And you'll notice that there's nothing appeared here, but that's just because there's nothing that corresponds to this locked content, but that's because I haven't clicked the button yet, and obviously haven't hit the target. So I'll just show you what happens if I click like. So it pops up to like my URL specified. I've posted to Facebook, so it's liked. The count has decreased, so now there's only 11 more to go, and this banner that I specified here has also appeared. So you can also now see that if I was to unlike this, the number increments again. So this stops people just liking and then unliking like straight after. And now I'll just show you, say I wanted to reduce my target a bit more, so I don't know, that's unliked, so 12 more likes. So instead of that, I'll say 23. Okay, edit. So if that's 23, there's 5 more likes remaining. I got that wrong. Okay, that's it now. So I've got a target of 19, and this currently has 18 likes, so 7 on it and 17 others. So when I click this, the target should be reached. So I've posted to Facebook, and you can see there's no more likes. A lot of content has appeared. At which stage I might want to, I might want to get rid of that, and I might just want to say, leave it like that. So yes, that's happened. Or I don't know, I might want to change this target again. I might want to say, right, 60.